Good morning guys, my name is Sesha and welcome back to my channel. So I think this is going to be my third vlog on my channel, and today I have a shoot with a multi-designer boutique, so I'm very excited. So I'm just going to quickly go and get ready. I just need to sort out my makeup that I need to take, just pack my bags a little, and then we are going to head out. So yeah, this is the makeup pouch that I use to carry all my makeup for the shoots. Unless I need more makeup for the shoot, then I'll just take a secondary pouch, but this is all the but mostly like I can just carry all my makeup in this one pouch. So this is just a simple pouch from the Body Shop, and I'm just going to pack the things that I need because I obviously won't need all of these things. I am almost ready, as you guys can see. So this is all the makeup that I'm going to be doing right now because I just want to go to the boutique and then do my makeup. But I just filled in my eyebrows a little bit, put on some eyeliner and some lip color because I am going to meet the people from the boutique, so I just don't want to go completely makeupless. I'm just going to quickly pack my bags and head out because my friend who's going to shoot with me is like almost here, so I don't want to be the one who's late. So I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, so we finally reached the place and I'm so excited to show it to you guys because it is such a pretty huge boutique. So I'm just going to turn it over. Look at that. So we'll have to go inside there. I'm not sure if the store is open yet, but yes, I'm very excited. So that's the name. I hope that it's open and I don't make a fool of myself. So I'm gonna just see. As soon as you come in from the entrance over there, though, that's the first things you see. And I really love how the mannequins are, because like look at the head of the mannequins. That's so cool, right? I've never seen mannequins like this. Okay, like I'm literally whispering, so I don't know how my voice is going to sound, but it's okay. I think we're going to live with it. Guys, just check this outfit out. Oh my god, it's so different from what I would usually opt for. but I really love it, especially the design here. Like, can you guys see? It's so pretty, and I love the shape because it like cinches in on the waist. I really love it. So it's like a jacket and dhoti pants. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. So yeah, we just took a couple of photos and then we're gonna just move on to the next one. Hey guys, I am finally done with one floor. I don't know, I mean they have another floor full of clothing, but I don't know if I am supposed to shoot with some of the clothes there too. So let's see. Guys, how cute is this top? Like, how cute is it? I don't know, it's just so quirky and different. Look at the sides. Oh my god, this is so cute. So yeah, like I was saying earlier, we finished shooting on the first floor, so now we're shooting on the second floor, and the second floor has a more casual vibe to it, like except for these. Obviously these are very dressy, but apart from that, yeah, this floor is a lot more casual than that. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and shoot for this top and one more, and I think we're gonna be done after this. Oh my god guys, I spot the most beautiful lilac dress. Look at that. I'm actually very pleasantly surprised by this dress because it actually looks really good. It was such a fun shoot guys, but I'm also very tired. It's like I think late in the evening, but it's still quite sunny, and I'm just going to take an outfit picture with this one that is still pending, but I still have my makeup on. Too bad I can't afford every designer dress, but they were so pretty. I can't wait to edit the air pictures and post the blog post. We are at McDonald's, so yeah, I think this has become like a ritual now. Yeah, after every show we are eating at McDonald's, because to be honest, who doesn't love McDonald's guys? It's just so quick and it just gets the job done, you know. At the end of the day, when you're like super hungry and you just want to eat fast food, McDonald's it is. Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Can you pull my laptop? Guys, just look at the amazing pictures we captured. My god, I'm so excited to edit these so that you guys can see. Looks absolutely amazing.
So yeah, I also have the video footage obviously for the vlog that you guys will be seeing very soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and I'll see you guys later. Bye.